Hello everyone, in today's lesson we will consider some problems in C++. So you can see the problem on your screen. Given a number n, calculate the sum of this expression. The operator of ascending in degree cannot be used. That means that we cannot use degree. And the algorithm must have a complexity of O(n). Try to avoid using the if instruction as well. Okay, so let's consider examples. A natural number is entered, output the answer to the problem. For example, we have 2 and the output is 0.5. So if we have n is equal to 2, then what we have? We have two numbers that we substitute to this ration. It's 1 and 2. So if we substitute 1, then we have minus 1 into the power of 1 plus 1. It's plus 1 divided by 1. That means that we get 1. And the second number is 2. It will be minus 1 into the power of 3. It's negative 1 divided by 2, minus half. And we will get 1 minus half, and it's actually 0.5. So let me write a code and explain you how to solve this. So first of all, what we need to do is, of course, include IOStream. Okay, so let's create our function int main. Okay, so I think in this situation we can use cycle 4. So actually let me write using namespace std to not write std a lot of times. Okay, so we see that we start with 1, then we have minus, then we have plus, then we have minus, and so on. So let's write. First of all, we need to input our value n. So we write int n and sin n. Okay, so yeah, like this. So we input our variable n, and then we need to use cycle. Use brackets, of course. So from 1 to n, how we can write from 1 to n? From 1 to n, we can write that I is equal to I is equal to 1, int I, and then from 1 and until I is less or equal than n, and every our operation, we do plus I. I hope it's clear. Yeah, it's just from 1 until n, because as you can see, we considered already example 2, so our variables 1 and 2, and from 1 until 2. Okay. So next step, we need to of course we have to write double sum, and it's equal to 0. Why double? Because double we use for numbers with point, like for example 3.15 or like this number. So for these numbers we use double. So we created new variable sum, and the next step is to create our sign. Sign is equal to 1. You know why? Because first our variable is 1, so we will change sign every hour cycle. Okay, so sum plus equal, and we write sign multiplied by 1 and divided by n. Yeah, we just rewrite this ratio, you know. Wait, I need to check if I say it correctly. Fraction, of course, fraction. So we just rewrite our fraction. It's sign that starts with plus and then 1 divided by n, and our sign, we don't use degree as sign, we use variable sign. Okay. Okay, people, so yeah, that's all. But as I said, we need to change our sign. So sign in the next cycle will be with negative sign. Okay. I think that's all. Return 0, and let's run our program. And what's wrong there? Expected 1 before int. Of course. We have to write this, and I think that's all. And of course there. Okay, let's write 2. Oh, yeah, guys, and of course we need to output. So cout out our variable sum. Yeah, like this. So I think everything is works now. Let's write it. Wait, what? Maybe, yeah, I need to write return after output. Am I right? Wait, why 0? What's wrong? What's wrong? Let's see. What is wrong? Wait, let me actually. I already wrote this, and what is everything is correct. What? Wait. Am I miss something? What is wrong with this code? Wait, actually, let me real quick. I don't want to waste your time. Using namespace std int main int n. Yeah, I wrote it like this. Double sum and sum for intent sun. Oh, of course. Guys, it's my bad. We of course divide by I, of course. Because yeah, from I, of course it's our cycle 4, of course, guys. Sorry for that. So now everything is works correctly, yeah. And let me actually, I don't know, put 3, so we will get this one. Let me put 3. Yeah, it's correct. So this is how you can solve this problem using cycle 4 without using degree. We just do cycle and change sign, and of course it's really important to write double here. Yeah, do not forget about it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.
Look, I don't know if these niggas gon' like this. I be feeling like the niggas don't like me. The only thing that saved them from me was the virus. I be fucking niggas bitches all the time, so I wouldn't be surprised if these niggas fucking my bitch. Tool in my hand while I'm driving. Shoot at your ass, don't even try this. Baby, chew on that dick like it's Trident. Yeah.